Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to review Mary's art kit. So this is the one and only art kit which I found that it is really affordable and most amazing with a lot of art materials. So let's open it. सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द स्टिचिंग, इसकी स्टिचिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है। तो आप लोग देख सकते हो जो मटेरियल यूज़ किया गया है वो बहुत ही अच्छे टाइप का लेदर है और जो कॉटन मटेरियल है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है। तो ये सारे मटेरियल्स आपको इसमें किट में मिलेंगे। एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट आई हैव यूज्ड दिस आर्ट किट इन माय प्रीवियस रील ऑफ अ पूनम ड्राइंग। सो आई हैव रिसीव्ड अ कमेंट, किसी ने कमेंट किया था कि आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट दिस फॉर बिगिनर्स, दिस इज़ नॉट गुड। तो आई रियली फेल्ट बैड दैट वाई शी वॉज टेलिंग लाइक दैट। सो मैं आप लोगों को यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि कुछ लोगों ने इसे बहुत अच्छा नहीं कहा है बिगिनर्स के लिए। तो मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि वो लोग क्या गलती कर रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से वो लोग ये बोल रहे हैं। सो लेट मी शो यू फर्स्ट कि दीज आर ऑल द पेंसिल्स विच यू विल गेट इन दिस किट एंड आई विल टेल यू दैट वॉट इज़ द मिस्टेक दैट दे आर डूइंग in this video. So these are the charcoal pencils. I will start from this. So these are Mary's charcoal pencil and we have hard, we have neutral pencil and my favorite soft charcoal pencil. So I will take a book and I will स्केच मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी। तो ये मेरे पास जो छोटा सा स्केच बुक है, मैं आपको इसमें बताती हूँ कि हम ये कैसा काम करता है। तो उससे पहले हमें ये शार्प करना पड़ेगा। तो इसे थोड़ा साइड रख देती हूँ एंड लेट मी कीप दिस फर्स्ट। सो दीज आर द 3 पेंसिल्स। और ये है शार्पनर। तो मैं पहले न्यूट्रल चारकोल पेंसिल ले रही हूँ। तो लेट मी शार्प दिस। सो अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड वॉच ऑल माई वीडियोज़। आई हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ रिव्यू वीडियोज़ अबाउट आर्ट लाइन पेंसिल्स, बेस्ट आर्ट मटेरियल्स फॉर बिगिनर्स एंड आई हैव रिव्यूड कैमलिन ब्रश पेन्स, फेबर कासल ब्रश पेन्स, फेबर कासल किट। सो यू कैन सी मैंने शार्प किया और आप लोग देख सकते हैं इस चारकोल पेंसिल की क्या हालत हुई है। सो यही मैं आपको कह रही थी कि दिस इज़ द ओनली रीज़न दैट सो मैनी पीपल आर रिव्यूइंग इट बैड बिकॉज दे आर यूजिंग अ शार्पनर एंड यू कैन सी दैट इन दिस किट they have provided us cutter and we have to use the cutter for sharpening the pencil and मैंने इसके ऊपर एक dedicated video बनाई है that how to sharp a pencil like a pro। आप लोग मेरे learn sketching from basics वाले playlist में जाके देख सकते हैं, उसमें मैंने बनाई है। So this is the only reason which I feel that many artists are telling that this kit is not good. So it is not like that. We have to use this cutter. So I will review each and every item for you. So in this kit we get 2 erasers and this is kneaded eraser of Mary's and I have to say that the size is really perfect and it will be a long lasting eraser for us. So let me keep it back and this is soft eraser and I cannot believe that this is a really chunky eraser and you can see that it has a really good quality and it is really thick and broad. It feels like a biscuit, a big biscuit. And this is cutter which we have to use and it is sharp and I really love this cutter. This build quality is amazing and it is far better than Natraj cutter. So we have to sharp it from this. So this is the reason that many people are telling that they have not given sharpener and this kit is not good for beginners. But I have to say that this kit will not disappoint you, because I have not seen these many items in the kit. So this is a pencil extender which we can use, and it is also very essential for all the artists. So these are a lot of items. I think 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 items are there, and I will give the link in the description box. You can buy it from there, and it is really amazing. And these are some bloopers which I was trying to film for an intro. वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कर देना. You can subscribe my channel, share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So we have to just keep this pencil extender at the end of the pencil, and even when the pencil becomes shorter, it will be really easy for us to hold the pencil with this extender, and it is a really helpful tools for any artist. And these are blending stumps. If you are a complete beginner, blending stumps are paper compressed stump which is used to blend drawings, blend the pencil strokes which we do. So it is really helpful for shading and blending. So you can see that it is a really good quality. The paper is compressed really well, and when you hold it you can feel that grip, and the size is also fine. And they have provided 3 blending stumps. One is big, one is small, and another one is little bit smaller from that. And this is HP, and we get both B grade and H grade pencils in this. So if you are a complete beginner, I can tell you that B is nothing but black and H is hard. So from hard and black, these are the pencil shades which you will get. So basically the shades are like HB, so it will be little bit hard and little bit black. So I am sharpening one for you. This is 4B. So I have made a complete and dedicated video on this, that how you need to sharpen your pencils for drawing, because this is the most important thing that I feel, because many of the artists don't know that we have to sharpen pencils from the blade. And this is the only reason which I felt that many of the artists or many of the beginners are criticizing these kind of kits. I think that this is a really amazing kit, because I regret that why I haven't bought this earlier. I think 3 or 4 years earlier, because this kit has everything that an artist need to draw. It has pencils, it has charcoals, it has blending stump, and it has pencil extender, it has kneaded eraser, it has soft eraser. So what is there that you need? And also we don't need to carry any bulky box or any bag for that, and it is just that we have to roll and we have to keep. So I think this is also a kind of traveling kit if you travel a lot and you love sketching. So this is for you. So let me see. I am completely impressed with that, how it has came in this pack. So let me review the pencils, because the quality of pencils. And when I am sharpening these pencils, I can feel that the wood quality, the build quality is really good. So sometimes it happens that if you have seen one of my videos, when I was sharpening, I think Apsara pencil, it was breaking in between, and you can see that this is not at all breaking. So this is neutral charcoal pencil, and I am just trying to shade something. So you can see that it is not at all breaking, and I can say that when I focus the camera, you can see it clearly now. So the shading is happening smoothly. So the paper, the charcoal is opting the paper very smoothly, and you don't need to apply a lot of pressure. So आप लोगों को ज़्यादा pressure apply नहीं करना है, बहुत कम ही pressure में बहुत अच्छे से जो है शेड हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अमेजिंग फॉर एनी बिगिनर और एनी प्रो आर्टिस्ट एज वेल. So I am drawing since my childhood and this is really amazing thing. So this is hard pencil, this is hard charcoal. So my opinion about hard charcoal pencil is that I never ever use that much, but I think that I need to check it out, as the medium charcoal was amazing. Let us see that how is this hard charcoal, because frankly speaking I mostly use soft charcoal, and you can see that this is also coming really nice. And let me tell you that I am not applying much pressure, I am applying a little bit of pressure, and this is how we have to shade. We don't need to apply a lot of pressure. If the pencil quality is not good, then only you need to apply a lot of pressure, and I don't feel that it is good for our hands. It will make us tired very quickly. So you can see that shading is really perfect. And now it's time for my favorite charcoal pencil. This is soft charcoal. So let me tell you that I have been in love with charcoal pencils, of soft charcoal pencils basically. So I have made a lot of sketches. If you follow me on Instagram account, you can see that I have made Alia Bhatt sketch with that, I have made Selena Gomez sketch with that, and Emma Watson sketch with that. And this is the darkest pencil, and I really love it. I have been using Camlin, and I think that now this one is my favorite, because I have noticed that Camlin pencil breaks little bit in between when we draw, and this is not even breaking, and it is darker than that. So this one is soft, this one is hard, and this one is medium. So you can see that how these pencils are. So these were the 3 pencils, and this is the result which we have got, and I am really impressed with the results, and I give a thumbs up for this. So this is HP. This is 4B and 8B. So let me give a review of one pencils, and I have sharpened this one for you. If you want to see the complete tutorial that how we need to sharpen and what are the precautions that we need to take, and what are the different 2 types of pencil sharpening with the blade, you can see my tutorial. I will give the link in description as well as on the I button. You can watch that video of mine. So this is 4B. So let us see. I am completely impressed with the charcoal pencils. Okay, the pencil is smooth, the build quality is good, pencil is not at all breaking in between, and I am not applying a lot of pressure. So this graphite pencil is really amazing, and the graphite is also opting the paper. So this is 4B. I will make a small box and let us test out the erasers. If you are hearing some traffic sounds, please ignore that. I am shooting outdoor. So I am shading it lightly, and also I have shown this in my blog channel. If you are new to my channel, then do check out my blog channel, and it is Monika Manikar Vlogs, where I share my life, what I do in a day. So it is a really fun and amazing thing that I do. So you can subscribe to my channel, blog channel, and you can see my playlist over there. I will give the link in I button. So let me take the eraser and I will review the eraser. So we will test both the eraser. Let me open the kneaded eraser first. So I can say that this is a good size, and always we have to look that how long lasting any art material would be. When you are buying any art material, you have to think that how long lasting it will be. So I think that it is a good size kneaded eraser, and it will last for at least 6 to 7 months easily. And I think this eraser will last for 3 years, I guess, because this is really big sized, and I don't know that how the quality will be, how it will work. Let's see that how it will work. So let me open this. It is a bit too tight. Oh, let me use the cutter. Yeah, now it's fine. So as you can see that I'm using, so a little bit of charcoal was there on my hand, and it is now on the eraser, but it's fine because we will anyhow rub it off. And just don't bother if any charcoal sticks on your eraser. It is fine. You can use a glove. I'm just doing a tutorial, that's why I have not wore any glove or anything, or I have not used any tracing paper. So you can see that the soft eraser and the kneaded eraser works perfectly. You can see I give it a thumbs up. And let us test blending stump. And this is also blending really amazingly. And this will also last us for at least 3 years, because this is of a good size, and we have already 2 more sizes with us. So I think this is really amazing, and you can see that the cutter is my favorite because the build quality is amazing, and it is very sleek and easy. The sliding part is really easy, because I have noticed that some of the sliders, I have Nataraj slider, and it sometimes it stucks down, and you can see that we have